Hello everyone, my name is Chu Jinghui. Today I will be presenting my assignment 3 for Business, Society and Sustainability. This presentation compares stakeholder management practices in two very different organizations. Cat Beach Sanctuary, a not-for-profit animal welfare organization in Penang, and Ang Ang Roastery for-profit coffee business also based in Penang. For this assignment, I conducted semi-structured interview with two managers. The first interview was with Professor Tilwood Fair Service, the co-founder of Cat Beach. She oversees volunteer coordination, fundraising, animal care standards, and community engagement. The second interview was with Mr. Chong Yong Ang, the founder of Ang Ang Roastery. He managed operations, customer experience, and business expansion. Both interviews are conducted online, and I asked the same 4 interview questions to enable a direct comparison. So the first question I asked about their key stakeholders. At Cat Beach, stakeholders include donors, volunteers and staff, government authorities, partner NGOs, the local community, and of course the animal themselves. For Ang Ang Roastery, the stakeholders are more commercially oriented. Customers, staff and baristas, supplier, owners, delivery partner, and the local community. This shows a clear difference. The non-profit serve a wide and more socially driven group of stakeholders, while the for-profit focuses on the involving in delivering customer value. Next, I asked about stakeholders' priorities. At Ang Ang Roastery, customers' priorities quality, flavor, and consistent service. Staff priorities fair workloads and training. Owners focus on profitability and brand identity, while suppliers expect timely payment and stable partnership. At Cat Beach, donors care deeply about transparency and the impact of their contribution. Volunteers prioritize animal welfare and safe working conditions. Our authorities focus on legal compliance and public health. The community wants cleanliness and the reduced stray populations. Most importantly, the animals' priorities include food, medical care, and safety. This demonstrates how organizational missions drive difference. Ang Ang is driven by customer expectation and efficiency, while Cat Beach is shaped by compassion, welfare, and accountability. Both organizations experience stakeholder tension, but they are very different forms. Cat Beach faces tensions such as animal rights versus community complaints, volunteer expectation versus limited operational capacity, and donor expectation versus staff workload. For Ang Ang Roastery, deal with challenges like maintaining quality while controlling costs, scaling operation without compromising craftsmanship, and managing staff workload during peak hours. Although the tension differ, both organizations must constantly balance expectation against real-world constraints. So to manage this tension, both managers rely heavily on communication. Cat Beach use empathy, dialogue, transparent financial reporting, and stakeholder involvement in decision-making. Their approach always returns to their core mission, animal welfare. While Ang Ang Roastery manage tension through staff training, building a strong team culture, careful scheduling, and quality control system to ensure consistency. This difference aligns closely with theory mission-driven organizations lean toward ethical engagement, while commercial enterprise emphasize operational solutions. When asked about society issues, Cat Beach strongly believe they play an active role. They work directly contributes to animal welfare, community education, gender equality among volunteers, and sustainability. For Ang Ang Roastery, societal responsibility is more indirect. They contribute through community engagement, supporting the local economy, and promoting an artisan coffee culture. Sustainability in sourcing is also part of their long-term vision, even if not formalized. Both managers recognize that organizations, regardless of type, should contribute positively to society. Overall, the comparison shows clear contrast. Cat Beach is a mission-focused, donation-driven, and dependent on donor transparency, volunteer reliability, and welfare outcomes. Ang Ang is customer-focused, efficiency-driven, and must balance costs, staff performance, and service quality. However, they also share important similarities. Both organizations rely on communication, both face resource limitation, and both must balance competing stakeholder interests. In conclusion, stakeholders play a crucial role in both organizations, but their priorities differ based on organizational mission. Cat Beach prioritizes animal welfare, education, and transparency, while Ang Ang prioritizes customer satisfaction, brand experience, and commercial sustainability. Despite their differences, both organizations face tension that require ethical decision making, effective communication, and strong leadership. This comparison demonstrates that successful stakeholder management, whether in a sanctuary or a cafe, depends on empathy, responsibility, and alignment with core values. So these are the references I get to complete my presentation. Thank you for listening.